speakers?
That's correct, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. Hi, ma'am. Tell me your full name.
Elaine Carmen Davila.
Ms. Davila, you were here today for an initial appearance on felony charges involving narcotic drug possession, possession of narcotic drugs for sale, and drug paraphernalia. You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You do have the right to an attorney. I'm going to appoint the public defender's office to represent you, and you have counsel seated with you for purposes of the hearing here today. I've had an opportunity to review information provided to me by pretrial services. I've also had a chance to review the state's recommendation as to your conditions of release. The state is recommending a $100,000 cash-only bond. Mr. Terrace.
Thank you, Judge. The state's bond recommendation is based on the number of pills. It appears 55,000 fentanyl pills. The defendant was attempting to sell to the undercover officer. Given that, the state believes she's a danger to the community and would ask that she be held on the requested bond.
Ms. Conflente.
I apologize. It's gonna. All right, Your Honor, I would ask for a significantly lower bond than that. She doesn't seem to have. She has one prior from 2008. She is a lifetime resident of Tucson. She was on the level 2 on the scale, so I think that pretrial services could engage with her. And then so she scored 3s on the scale. She has no violent history either, Your Honor. And she does have a spouse who is willing to assume third-party custody to help assist her in coming to court dates.
I am going to impose a $100,000 cash or secured bond today. If you're able to post that bond, ma'am, then you'll be released to pretrial services. You'll be ordered to participate in any monitoring or treatment pretrial services directs. You're not allowed to possess or consume any alcohol or illegal drugs. You can't have any firearms while this case is going on. Your next hearing in this case is going to be October 14th at 1:30 in the afternoon. That's a preliminary hearing. That court date may or may not occur, but you will be responsible for all future court dates. And if you fail to appear, a warrant can issue for your arrest. Do you understand those conditions of release, Ms. Davila?
Yes.
And do you understand the consequences for failing to appear?
Yes.
That's all for today.
Judge, with Mr. Hodges returning, may I be excused?
Yes.